Regardless if you own your home or you rent, you still have to change the air filter. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Finding your HVAC unit. If you're not aware, usually the air filter is in the HVAC unit, which is usually in your attic. So go from room to room on your top floor and try to find this door. The door looks just like this, and it usually has a string attached, hopefully, otherwise it's a super pain. And what you do is you grab it and you pull it down. Once you pull it down, it reveals a staircase and it folds up. So what you do is you grab the stairs and it folds down like that. That'll give you access up into the attic and the ceiling. Now climbing the stairs is gonna feel kind of rickety. It will support your weight, so just be careful. It is pretty dark. I'm lucky. I have a light switch right here that you turn on before you go in the attic. You always gotta be safe. I would recommend not doing this in the summer months because it can be about 120 degrees up here. Try to change it every fall, every spring, just to alternate, just so it's not so hot. Changing the filter. Now this is a standard HVAC unit. This is what air conditions and cools your house. So where you find the filter is actually right here in this little tray. You pull this out, this comes out. This is just a protective cover to protect the filter itself. Next, you pull out the filter. I would say mine has seen better days. This is absolutely disgusting. Okay, so I took out the old filter and I'm about to put in the brand new one. Look at the difference, guys, between the two filters, how dirty that one was. I probably should have replaced it long before now, but sometimes you just get lost track of time. But you got to make sure you replace these things, guys. It can cause fire, it can cause maintenance problems. These units right here go from $2,500 to $10,000, and if you're not changing this filter regularly, that can catch fire. It can make your family really sick. It can just cost you a ton of money and time, medical expenses, and it's something that if this burns down because of your own mismanagement, it is not covered by your homeowner's insurance. So it's something you need to be really aware of, that you're taking care of this stuff. Whew, it is really hot up here. It's like I said, it's about 120 degrees up here. I'm sweating like crazy. It's gonna be the same thing for your house, but we're gonna go ahead and put in the new air filter, and I'm gonna show you. So what you do is that has this little slot, you slide it in. Make sure the right side is on the right spot here. I don't really think it matters what side goes in. No, it doesn't. So just slide it in, place like this. It's that easy. You take the cover just snaps right on, and there you go. Leaving the attic. Make sure, guys, after you change the unit that you pay attention where you're walking. Sometimes up in attics there might be loose, ouch, like that, loose nails on a board where your shirt can get caught. Making sure that you're safe when you go down these stairs, and make sure to always pay attention. Oh my God, this is really hard. Pay attention to what you're doing. So you gotta make sure to turn the light off before you leave. Okay, so I'm back down the stairs now. I'm gonna fold up the ladder. It folds up in 3 sections. Pull it up like this. This is hard to do with one hand because I'm holding the camera, but folds back up like that. Easy enough. Then what you do is you grab the string, you pull it, and it closes the door. All right, guys, I got this in a better light. Look at the difference of how disgusting that is. Don't ever let it get this bad. Don't do what I did. Change it 2, maybe 3 times a year, depending if you're in a high pollinated area or if it's really windy, because you don't want your family breathing that stuff in. It is hot. I told you guys it gets really hot when you do this, but thank you for tuning into my video. I really appreciate it. Man, I'm really sweating. So hit that notification bell, like this video, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. I'm gonna have more maintenance videos and how-tos and fun adult video life or adulting life 101 videos coming out. Thanks, guys.